You're in tune to the meeting of the inner circle, and this is Adama thanking you for being right where you are. On behalf of all of the lineages that were already on this continent, on behalf of all of the animals whose blood has been spilled, on behalf of all Aboriginal, Indigenous, and Native people upon this planet, on behalf of all of those whose DNA carries some of everybody, let us live, exalting a full effort in our living, our loving, our giving, our forgiving, our coming to a point and place where it matters to us that we will stand on behalf of life itself, that we will not forget all of that which is already transpired upon this land and upon this planet, on behalf of all of the children, on behalf of all of the mothers, the fathers, and those who've been denied the rights to be in alignment with the truth of the divinity and the sanctity of what it is to be. There is no greater gift than life itself. There is no greater time than this now moment of eternity to come to a point and place where we accept that it is our time to gift to the life all that is the best of ourselves. A lot of times we pat ourselves on the back for what we think we've already done. But what we've done is not enough, because we are being called on a daily basis to exalt an ever fuller degree of love, care, commitment in our own consecration, purification, renewal, and rebirth. We're at war within ourselves. Our houses and homes are divided. We cannot stand, we cannot create anything greater if we do not have a greater aspiration in terms of what it is we're living for, what it is that we truly have desire for in our lives. And so our time is now. It matters that you care. On behalf of the lineages through whom you've come, on behalf of those that we didn't allow to come, on behalf of all of those who've come and gone too soon, let us come to this point and place where we will raise completely up through the daily clearing, cleansing, purification, consecration, walking an exalted walk, having an understanding and an understanding that the resubstantiation of the substance of beings that we are is what liberation actually is about. It's not just about having more money. It's not just about meeting your obligations. Yes, we care to do that. But your greatest obligation is to that which is beating your heart and breathing you. Your greatest obligation is to that which is the source of all being. And we're all duty bound and obligated to stand, to live, and to walk on behalf of all of life. It would seem like this would be one of the easiest things to do, but it's been complicated because there's an initiative to make sure that we don't have that much sense, that we don't have that much light, that we don't have that much love, that we don't have that much care, that we are not considering anything or anybody other than our own selfish desires, and have it twisted in our own mind that we could do whatever the hell we want to do regardless of whether it makes sense or not. And I'm saying that life is going to hold us all accountable and responsible unto it, because it has gifted itself to absolutely everything and everyone everywhere. We're immersed in nothing but it, in this ocean of cosmic consciousness, and knowing that our time is almost up for being able to step into the reality of the eternal now, in which we are always immersed.